idyllic. Fullness of beauty laid down on my soul to be, creating a scene of wellness conceived, woven seamlessly, creating a space serene, a space far beyond this life's strangling bond. Nothing broken or amiss, feeling like an idealist dreaming about a space pure, into a holiness assured, a place so tranquil, it soaks my soul to still. All I need, all I want, giving us a special grant, creating this perfect world, idyllic and bold, where nothing is wrong and only good is done. Does this place exist, or only an ideal to resist? Can flawlessness be laid bare, in harmony be shared? Around here it seems only an idea never to be held, only vaguely to be felt. In the space of the divine, as in a holy shrine, complete calm can be mine, where love is found, in the soul astound, by nothing abound. Love might seem unreal, but its touch heals, brings about a mystic of life in love, idyllic.